Hello everyone, and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest EV news. As you can see in the background, I am back in Houston, Texas. We are visiting my mother-in-law. She did turn for the worst. I did spend time with her earlier today, but we are holding strong. My wife is still with her, so thank you so much for everybody's support, everybody's prayers. I greatly appreciate it. Before we get into this, if you could please give me that thumbs up, the like button, it'll keep me alive on YouTube. Also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all, as this will help join the community and spread the channel around. But I did want to talk about the latest EV news. Lucid Motors stock is skyrocketing today. It went up more than 20% today at a new high of $55. It has an incredible growth. But I will be telling you why. We also will be talking about Rivian RIVN. It continues to go up in price in its stock. When I still have not bought any shares of Rivian RIVN. Both of these stocks right now are on fire. They are quite hot, but I have not sold anything on Lucid, and I have not bought anything in Rivian. So, but I did just want to give you an update as to what's going on. So, very big news on Lucid Motors. The reason why the stock is skyrocketing right now is a few factors. The first one is that Lucid Motors, the Lucid Air Dream, was just named the Motor Trend Car of the Year. Congratulations to Lucid Motors, as they do have a fantastic vehicle. People and media are starting to notice that it does have the best technology. It does have a premium vehicle. Remember, they are in the EV niche, and the vehicle in the luxury line is one of the best vehicles out there in the world. So this was developed by the person that brought to you the Tesla Model S, Peter Rawlinson. He's done a great job with the company. I think he continues to do that. Another reason why the Lucid Motors stock is skyrocketing today is that the reservations have come in. The demand of this vehicle is unprecedented. It has increased and gone past 17,000 reservations of their vehicle. It has just started productions, and so this is having a very huge demand for the vehicle. Hence, the company is starting to really produce those productions. Their factory, when looking at the financial earnings, that is the third factor, which is bringing the stock up, is that I did really like its balance sheet. They did get some revenue in. Now, the revenue that they did get is not from their Lucid vehicles yet. They have started to sell those on the Q4, the quarterly 4, but this was the Q3 earnings report, which tells me that they are getting revenues from another source. I did look into this, and I found out that they are getting revenue based on their battery technology. They are still in the Formula E series, the Formula race car. They do supply batteries to the race cars, so they are actually getting revenue from that as well. I do suspect that their revenue will continue to grow, especially with the vehicles that were just sold and start getting delivered. But looking forward in the future, so far based on the Q3 reportings, they did have 13,000 reservations in Q3, which is a projected of $1.3 billion in revenues with these Lucid Air Dreams, Lucid Air vehicles that will be sold. So great revenue looking forward in the company. I do definitely think that this is one of the best electric vehicle companies. It has the best efficiency. It's the most efficient vehicle out there. It can go up to 4.5 miles per kilowatt hour. There's no other vehicle that can touch this in the market. Second behind them, and very closely, I would say comparable, is Tesla. Tesla is the pioneer of all electric vehicles, and it will continue to remain a huge company just because it has huge productions. But again, very big things for Lucid Motors, and I congratulate them. I did want to switch gears, talk to you about Rivian. Rivian stock is just continuing to tumble the market, is continuing to dominate the market. $170 a share in its stock. This valuation is huge for this company. I do definitely see that it has big backers. It does have Amazon as a backer. It does have Ford as a backer. Amazon did buy quite a bit more shares of Rivian, as the company is going to be pre-ordering the electric delivery vans for Amazon. They are going to be giving them 100,000 delivery vans. Rivian as a company also has big reservations. They have about 55,000 reservations of their R1T and R1S. That's their truck and their SUV. This company is going to be a monster. It's going to be very, very good, very big. But does it command that huge valuation? In my opinion, it's still very expensive. I still have not bought any shares of Rivian, nor have I sold any Lucid Motors stock. I am going to be very bullish on both of these companies, but I am going to be holding it very long term. Now, another company that I do believe and I have been talking about is GGPI Polestar. The stock is doing quite well today. It did increase about, I believe, 2.3%. Today, it is trading above $15. I think this is still a very good price point. In my opinion, I think that GGPI should be worth about $18 to $20 per share. So you're still getting a very good price in this stock. But a lot of analysts, in my opinion, will be reviewing Lucid Motors, especially now that they have this great news. They do have Motor Trend Car of the Year, and they do now have, some projected revenues looking forward. This company is going to do great in the future. Remember that they are just starting off. In the year 2025, they will be cash flow positive for the very first time. So a lot of still steps that they need to climb. This is just the beginning. Right now, I do think that there is a big EV frenzy. A lot of people are getting into these stocks. They are quite hot, but nothing lasts forever. I do think that there will be a cool off. We have not seen a cool off yet. But the very nice thing about Lucid Motors stock is it has found a base. I do believe that its base is now past that $40. I think it's $43 now. So now I think those $30 price points might be out the window. We'll definitely have to see how this all plays out. But Lucid Motors is exceeding my expectations in this stock, continues to grow. I continue to support it. I continue to hold it. I have not added any shares of Lucid Motors or Rivian yet. But once we start having that cool off, I'll definitely pick up some shares, and I would like to get a position in Rivian as a company as well. But I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you can, give me that thumbs up, the like button. I'll share my video around YouTube. Help me with that algorithm. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, notification bell, hit all, join the community. We'd love to have you here. Thank you so much for everybody's support, for your prayers. This is a very difficult time for my family, especially for my wife, my mother-in-law. But we received so many prayers and so many wonderful comments from each and every one of you. So thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate that. Also, I am going to put down some links, to Moomoo, get you some free stocks. The stocks are actually up to $3,500 each. My Moomoo representative did tell me that these are each valued up to $3,500 each for up to 5 stocks. You get 1 free stock just for opening an account, another free stock just for putting any amount of money. And then if you put in more than $2,000, you get 3 additional stocks, each valued $3,500 up to that amount. So please take advantage of that, as this will only last until middle of next month. But thank you again for watching, for supporting. I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. And thank you, and have a great day.